Hello everyone, I am Bhavya, a ServiceNow developer specializing in ITSM and ITOM. I also specialize in transforming complex enterprise operations into secure, automated, and scalable workflows. In this playlist, we will be learning JavaScript step by step with a clear and practical approach. Topics we will be covering include variables. They are used for storing and managing data. Data types. There are different types of values such as numbers, strings, booleans, and more. Arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform basic calculations. Comparison operators. They are helpful in comparing values and making decisions. Logical operators are used to combine conditions and control the program flow. Conditional statements. The statements include if, else, and switch for decision making. Loops are used for repeating actions until specific conditions are met. Functions. These are reusable blocks of code that make programs modular and efficient. Object parsing. This is used while working with objects to access and manage data. Arrays, which are helpful in handling multiple values within a single variable. By the end of this playlist, you will have a strong foundation in JavaScript. Let's begin this journey and master JavaScript together. Thank you for watching. Please watch out for our next video on variables.